Welcome to Indira's World, and once again I have a very exciting show for you. In case you don't know me, you will do on Indira's World. This very important week in India is Diwali, which is the festival of lights, our new year, new beginnings, and we can all do with new beginnings now. So from the south of India, I welcome you to the land of rice, and I'm going to be doing a dish called lemon or lime, depending on what you have, and this could be a main or side dish. The starting point of most Indian dishes is what we call vagar, which is a little oil with either cumin seeds if you're from the north, or mustard seed from the south, or both. It's up to you. This being a South Indian dish, I have here the oil that goes in. I've used olive oil, and here is the mustard seed. And with it is also split lentils. That consists of the vagar. I have some turmeric, salt and a green chilli, some minced ginger, some split cashew nuts, desiccated coconut or freshly grated coconut. I've used freshly grated coconut. Some curry leaves. Now, if you don't get curry leaves, then do get some fresh coriander. It works well, but curry leaves are curry leaves. And here is the juice of 2 lime. And I've some pre-cooked rice with a wee bit of saffron in it. The saffron is optional, but I've taken a heaped cup of rice and cooked that through. And that's all set to go now. I've got my pan heating away over here, and I'm going to add the oil and the mustard seed and split peas to start off with my vagar, and add in some ginger to that. See, I've popped the ginger and chili to the side till these brown a bit, and the mustard seeds have popped completely, releasing all the flavors. I'm now adding in my cashew nuts, my grated coconut, and my curry leaves. To this, I'm going to add salt and turmeric and the juice of 2 lime. It's as simple as this. We're going to add in the rice and stir it through. Now this smells wonderful, the slight ginger smell coming right through. And don't forget, turmeric is very, very good for you. And as you get older, it's even better. Good for the joints. I know I eat a lot of it anyway. This is ready to be plated up. So what I've done is I've put some cashew nuts, a little more coconut, and curry and coriander leaves at the bottom of this bowl. Put in my rice. Now I am going to cover it up with this and flip over, and you will get all the nuts, etc. on the top. Voila! That's ready to go onto the table. Well, I'd like to wish you all a very happy Diwali and may lots of light shine upon all of you. If you haven't subscribed to me, don't forget to subscribe to Indira's World, and if you have, don't forget. Thank you very much and see you next week. Till then, happy Diwali and Namaste.